We've been in business since 2006.
For 15 years.
I've been in business for 23 years.
Very concise with questions that were clear and easy to answer and really felt pertinent. So we had a sense that Drive was asking the right questions and the same questions that we had and were looking for answers for.
That set us up and tried to figure out what's going on in the shop, what needs to change, and what's efficient, what's not efficient. Opens up your eyes, and then you can really see what's going on with your shop and things you didn't even know about.
First and foremost was that our profitability in certain areas was lagging, even though we were making money as a shop and we felt like things were going well overall.
100%. I think every shop owner should go through the shop business analysis, and I'll tell you why. It is because you don't know what you don't know.
I would recommend the other shop owners take the SBA. I think it helps determine for them and for Drive if this program will be a fit and beneficial for both parties.
I was wearing way too many hats, and I was profitable. I was running a good business, but I was doing it all.
I was working a lot of hours. I'd even come in here on Saturdays and work.
Like I said, I don't have to come into work if I don't want to come into work. I have a manager, full-time manager. He runs all the day-to-day operations. So not only is the shop running way, way more efficiently and more profitably, but my life as well. I have time to do other things.
Being able to go on vacation and trust the shop that it's going to run smoothly, it worked out really good.